Dear candidates, a very warm welcome to the YouTube channel of the Green On Academy. In today's video, we'll make an earnest attempt to decode the psychologist code, which in simple terms means we will aim to find out how does the psychologist evaluates your responses during the SSB interview. So let's begin. For better understanding, we have divided the subject under the following heads because it will be easier for you to assimilate the contents. First, there will be a quick recap on the selection techniques at the SSB centers, followed by what is SSB in a nutshell, officer-like qualities and what are the deep-rooted and the trainable qualities, what are the psychologist testing techniques, followed by what is the concept of personality and how does an individual's personality shapes his or her response when faced by a stimulus. So let's begin. So candidate, let's understand what are the selection techniques at the SSB centers. SSB interview is a system of selection of suitable candidates, envisaging and finding out an individual who after training can become a successful officer of the average caliber. The selected candidates, after undergoing training and with experience, maturity and familiarity of the right context and perspective, the candidates are expected that he would attain higher goals. Various techniques used by three independent assessors who assess the candidate's personality in order to arrive at candidate's true personality to match with the system requirement in form of 15 different OLQs. In the SSB interview, the interviewing officer assesses by communicating with you. The group testing officers assesses you by seeing your actions and the psychologist by means of your written expressions. Candidates, before we dwell onto the subject proper, let's take a quick recap on the SSB interview and the techniques employed in the SSB. SSB is the essence of the testing techniques in finding 15 different officer-like qualities in a candidate. In SSB, these OLQs are tested and confirmed using tests and tasks by three independent assessors who assess the candidate personality independently. Some of these qualities are deep-rooted and others are trainable. The OLQs have been grouped in four major factors and these qualities determine your personality. Although there are many other qualities which shape and molds an individual's personality, however, these 15 qualities are the system requirement for selecting the candidates who could undergo training and become officer of average caliber. Therefore, it is essential to understand these qualities which are the prerequisite for your recommendations in the SSB interview. Candidates, to understand the concept of OLQ in detail, you are requested to see our video on officer-like qualities. Candidates, now a quick recap on the 15 different officer-like qualities and the form factor which they are grouped into. The form factor 1, which says planning and organizing, have 4 different OLQs. Factor 2, called the social adjustment, have 3. Factor 3, the social effectiveness, has 5 different officer-like qualities. And the last, factor 4, also called the dynamic factors, have 3 different qualities. Out of the 15 different officer-like qualities, they are further subdivided into deep-rooted and trainable qualities. The deep-rooted qualities are the ones which are inherent to an individual's personality and cannot be trained or acquired or developed in an individual. However, trainable qualities are those qualities which can be inculcated in an individual after he undergoes a training in the various academies. Candidates, the psychologist testing techniques are designed to assess these officer-like qualities which are present in a candidate by observing his original and his spontaneous responses. To ascertain the same, the candidate's true personality, two types of tests are performed on a candidate, which are the intelligence test and the personality test. While conducting these tests, the psychologist has two-folded aim. The first, to ascertain the intelligence level by means of an intelligence test, and second, match the same as per the responses of the candidate. If there is a mismatch of the intelligence level which the psychologist has found out by conducting an OI rating test to the responses obtained from your personality test, namely thematic appreciation test, word association test, situation reaction test, and self-description, it's an indicator of no original behavior of the candidate, which means that there is a mismatch in the original personality and the personality portrayed by the candidate during the SSB. In such a case where there is a mismatch of personality, the candidate is not recommended by the psychologist. However, when there when the responses are matching to varying degree, the psychologist either recommend the candidate as a doubtful, or he straight away recommends the candidate. Therefore, the candidate should attempt towards giving original responses and not the tutored ones. During the psychologist testing techniques, and the psychologist forces the candidate to give original responses by means of introducing stress as a time factor with an aim to generate spontaneous responses and not the tutored ones. In case the candidate wants to give the tutored responses not as per his personality, he may miss out a portion of his test. Therefore, all the candidates are advised to give original and the spontaneous response to any of the stimuli as provided by the psychologist. Now, the various personality tests performed in the SSB interview by the psychologist are shown on the slide. Now, candidates, as we have heard the word personality a large number of times, so let's understand what is a personality and what would it entails. Candidates, personality is the sum total of an individual's past experiences in life from the time he understands what action he is taking to the time he is at present. Second, what is his family background in terms of the father and mother, what is their occupation, what is their monthly income, what is their education standards, how many brothers and sisters does he have in his family. They all influences an individual's personality. The kind of friends he has, as the saying goes, birds of same feather flock together. So what kind of friends what kind of friend he has, are they progressive or regressive in life? What are their qualities in his friends? What is the candidate's education level, his financial condition, and also his physical attributes, whether he is a medium build, whether he is a tall. All these physical attributes of an individual also accounts towards his personality. Candidate's age and sex also accounts for his personality. Therefore, an individual personality is the sum total of all these above factors. Now, I would also like to tell the candidates the personality is not a static term. It changes from time to time based on individuals' experiences and exposure in life. Candidates, now will make an attempt to make you understand what is the stimulus and what is the response to a stimulus. Candidates, an individual personality is guided by the factors of his past experiences, his family background, his friends, and his influences on his personality, his education levels, his financial condition, his physical attributes, and age and sex. Therefore, whenever an individual is subjected to a stimulus which can be defined in form of a problem, or a situation or circumstances or difficulties, the candidate is likely to draw few choices based on his personality, and he selects a choice amongst many in form of an action. This action by an individual is called response to that stimuli. Therefore, during this psychologist test, the psychologist, the psychologist generates a stimulus of varying degree, and he draws out responses from the candidate in form of actions to the stimulus. Candidates, the psychologist during the SSB interview not only checks your responses in form of actions to the stimulus provided, but he also counter checks from the socio-economic card. This socio-economic card of an candidate is nothing but his experiences over his lifestyle, and the same is obtained by psychologists in form of the PIQ form. As said earlier, PIQ is key to the success because your responses to the stimuli will be counter-checked from your socio-economic card in form of the PIQ form. Candidate, this slide aptly depicts the concept of the borrowed personality, wherein the candidate is trying to put up a mass behavior in order to influence the psychologist and the other assessors during the SSB interview. Candidates, in this slide, we are trying to communicate that in life, you will always have two decisions, either to react or to respond, as both the people or situations are powerless without your reactions. So, you are requested to respond and not react to the situations. Candidates, with this, we have come to an end of New Beginning. Please do subscribe our channel, and I, on behalf of the team members of the Green On Academy, would like to wish you the very best for your forthcoming SSB interview, and thank you for being with us. Jai Hind.